La Liga. La Liga is insane. La Liga is insane. Charlie, I carry 500 cities to go bet on top Madrid. Hey! Bro, I've lost too much money this week, man. I've lost too much money. I don't even know I'm going to go home anymore after I finish shooting this video. I'm going to have to sleep in my boss's house. I don't know what's happening anymore. Things are not going well. Things are not going well in La Liga. Just look at Madrid. Madrid, Ramos, Varane, what are you guys doing, man? I don't understand this team anymore. I mean, these are the champions. The champions of the entire world, the champions of Champions League, the champions of La Liga. And it seems like ever since Ronaldo has left, they've not been able to hold things down. Even though Barcelona is going through a way much worse time than they are, they always find a way to mess things up. And right now, against Valencia, they give out 3 penalties. 3! I've not even seen that before in my entire life. And I've been watching ball for how many years? 3 penalties. How does that happen? And it was Benzema that scored first. I mean, it's like they're doing a giveaway. You score 1, get 3 for free. That's what happened basically. They give out 3 penalties, we just scoring 1 goal. And right now, even though Madrid can still relatively pick up themselves in the La Liga table, are they going to actually do? Are they going to pick themselves up? Because the defense has been looking shaky. I know Ramos has scored 100 goals as a defender. That's one of the highest. But I think, Ramos, you have to focus. Focus your mind on defending, man. You have to give up all the goal scoring with your beard that looks like that of a goat. Give that up. Just pause for 1 second and stop trying to score goals. Your defense is leaking, man. Your defense is leaking. You can only put Courtois under so much pressure. This guy is a good keeper, one of the best in the world. But if you constantly keep allowing attackers to have such freedom against him, he's going to crack. And if you're giving out so much penalties, the entire team is going to crack. Madrid, you have to pick yourself up. And La Liga is even crazy. Some crazy shit is happening in La Liga right now. My boy, Fati, is injured. He's injured, man. And Dembele, I'm looking at you. Ever since you came back, Fati has not been playing that well anymore. He has not been giving me all that goals. Dembele, what have you done to this guy? What have you done? Charlie, say you don't go do jazz for him. What do you do? Because you won't play more game. Nah. That's not cool, man. That is not good. Yes, I'm looking at you, Dembele. You dirty boy. That's what you've done to Fati. Fati has carried injury. I mean, Fati is one of the highest goal scorers for Barcelona in the league. He's a young boy, a youngster, a rising talent. Like the likes of João Felix and Vinicius Jr., Haaland and Mbappe. Everybody's hoping he's going to go all the way to become one of the greats. And right now he's injured. And we all know how injury at a very young age can be. It could stop his career. It could halt him from scoring. It could probably stop him from never picking up form. We've seen it happen to the likes of Pato. That's what happened to him. And Michael Owen, making him retire at a very, very early age. But right now, we are hoping and wishing Fati the best. Fati, Barcelona still needs you. You have to come back. You have to come back into football. You have to have a swift recovery. So, Fati, I'm sending you my love, man. I'm sending you all the love. You're in my FPL team. Yes, you're in my fantasy team for the Champions League. I need you back as soon as possible. Please. But any which ways, going on back to Barcelona, things are not looking well for the entire team. Things are not looking well for Griezmann. Griezmann, you have to stop playing video games. Every single thing about you is FIFA this, FIFA that. Leave the video game and focus on your game. Focus on football, man. You need to pick up form. They got you from Atletico Madrid. And ever since you left Atletico Madrid, things have been going well for them. Are you a curse? Are you a burden? Because now that you've come to Barcelona, everything is going bad. It's all shit. Fati, my guy, is injured. Now Dembele is always carrying injury like he's going to school. He gets injured, then he does get injured. I don't understand. That guy is not stable. And now that he's back, Fati is injured. I mean, I've said it a lot of times already. You guys are probably tired of me saying it. But that's how I feel. It is painful. But anyway, it was Felix and Atletico Madrid are doing so well. Suarez that left Barcelona has 5 goals. Yes, Suarez, the crazy guy, the lunatic, the guy that always goes around biting people like he's Dracula. He has 5 goals. Wow, mind-blowing, yeah? But that's how La Liga is. You never know what to expect. Do not bet on Madrid. They are crazy. They'll make you lose 500 cedis like I just lost all my money. I bet on them and I was like, straight win. Against Valencia, I mean, the point was so low. It was like 1 point something. Maybe I have a problem. Maybe I have a gambling problem. Maybe I'm an addict. But who knows? It's me, Dayo. I'm giving you sports updates. I have to be interested into the sports. I have to commit every single thing I have. You know how it is. You do know how it is. I know you understand me. But anyways, those are my opinions on La Liga right now and things happening there. It's crazy. It is interesting. It is all awesome.